to this event. I, Shwetank Parashar, I am here to take the evening forward. I am going to introduce you to our new project, India Rashtra, which is actually the phase 1 of the project, India project. So let's take things further. India project is a 26 acres mixed land use project. It's a part of the most iconic futuristic destination, that is the India project. Inspired by and dedicated to India, destined to be the pride of India. So, as I told you, these are some of the salient features of the project. This is actually a 26-acre concept development project, a world-class destination in itself. Experience Indian culture, culinary flavor, history, architecture, and home of the proposed tallest tower in India. Why I say all of these things is the India project is actually the mixed land use project, wherein you will get the best of both the worlds. Be it hospitality, hotel, service, premium service apartments, residential apartments, SCOs, and the premium residential apartments. So, starting from India World Mart, this is the SCOs, wherein the sizes start from 90 square yards. After this is the Namaste Tower. This is the premium residential tower, and this is India Tower. This is a mixed-use project wherein you will have service apartments, hotels, premium residential apartments as well. And the phase 1, which is the India Rashtra, which is at my right hand side at the back, is the plotting development project, which we have received the RERA on Saturday, and we are unveiling it today for you. So as I told you about the India project, so all these amenities are is given to you from day one. So we say walk to work culture. Like many builders promote walk to work culture, but we at Raheja have taken this a notch above. We say walk to work, we say walk to leisure, we say walk to party, we say walk to shopping. So all the things that one demands in today's rapidly evolving society, ever demanding society, which is basically concentrated towards the youth, wherein the maximum Gurgaon population is. So the emporiums to bazaar, the hotels, fine dining, luxury retails, the movies, entertainment arenas, grade A office spaces, conference, meeting rooms, events, expositions, all of these would be a walking distance for the residents of India projects. Now I come to the main part of the project, which is India Rashtra. This is phase 1 of India project. This is a premium developed plotted project. We are unveiling it today. The minimum size of the plot is 200 square yards, and it goes up to 450 square yards plotting development. To highlight one of the few, I would say, the major features of this project is it's one of the well-planned and gated community with unmatched advantages. As I told you, the roads in this project is minimum 12 meter wide. It's integrated. It's part of the integrated township. And the third point, which is the main highlight of this project, is 2.64 FAR. I repeat, it's 2.64 FAR from day one given. Your client, the resident, doesn't have to buy this FAR. In any other project, if you see in Gurgaon, you have to buy this FAR. You have to spend that extra money from your pocket. You have to go to the authorities for buying this FAR. The fourth point is it's a 3-tier security system with 24/7 surveillance. All this is powered by the solar panels and vantage point for tamper-proof security system. It has a world-class club with a swimming pool, sports and leisure amenities, local market, centralized ambient music, solar street lights, township level wireless Wi-Fi and LAN and ATMs. In real estate, there are only 3 things at the end of the day. It's location, location and location. So Many of you have come here at the site, so I don't have to explain you much, but it is bang on Dwarka Expressway. This Dwarka Expressway is a 150-meter expressway, 8-lane expressway, and it is from one side it is connected by Dwarka Expressway, and from the back side it is connected from 24-meter wide road, which is connecting to the Pataudi road in future. And from here, you are stone throw away to every landmark, be it Delhi or be it Gurgaon. So you can see on the map all the major locations, be it the airport, the cyber city, the hospitals, schools, everything is stone throw away from this project. So, as I told you, this is the map, site plan of India Rashtra. We have only 77 exclusive plots with us. I repeat, only 77, of which the company has held back 18 plots. We are constructing floors on it for fast habitation of the project. So only 58, I repeat, 58 exclusive plots are available in this project. So it's up for the grab. And as my friend Neil told you earlier, Zameen, it's very limited in supply, especially on Dwarka Expressway. So, to take the things forward, I like to call upon Mr. Nayan Raheta ji, who will talk about more future launches and the scheme for our channel.